So let's start with the next division, that is your appendicular endoskeleton. Okay, so let's write appendicular exoskeleton. Exoskeleton. Okay, so it is broadly divided into two parts, that is your girdle joint and other is your limb joint. Limb joint, or you can say bone also. I am writing here slash bone. So let's start with the limb girdle joint first. Girdle joint. So girdle joint is again divided into two parts, that is your pelvic girdle and another is your pectoral girdle. Okay, pectoral girdle.
So pelvic girdle has two bones. It has only two bones, and this girdle joint is total of 6 bones. Let's write that one. So this is of 6 bones. 6 bones, and it is important, so you have to learn this one. And pectoral girdle is of 4 bones. Okay, so pectoral girdle is divided into two parts again, that is your scapula and another part is your clavicle. Scapula is also of 2 bone and it is also of 2 bones. Okay, so then we have completed with the girdle joint part. Okay, so we have completed with this part also.
So guys, we have already completed the girdle joint part. This one part is completed. So now let's focus with the limb bones. So let's do now with limb bones. Limb bones. And before that, let me tell you one thing, that I have already told that it is of 126 bones and it is divided on the basis of 6 bones here, and limb bones are of 120 bones. Okay, and limb bones are further divided into two parts. One is your forelimb, the another part is your hind limb. Okay, so it is of 120 bones. This one is of 60 bones. This one is also of 60 bones. Okay, so let's continue with the now forelimb part. Forelimb. Okay, so it has basically 6 different type of bones. So let's write that 6 different type of of bones. All right, so let's study now the bones. First one is your humerus. Next one is your carpal. first let's write radius, then is your ulna, then we will write carpal, then after carpal it will be your metacarpals, then the last one is your phalanges. Okay, so now let's write the number of bones in each. So let's take this color. Humerus is the one bone in each hand, so 1 into 2 because humans have two pairs of hand, sorry, one pair of hand. This one is your 1 into 2 again, this one is also 1 into 2. The carpals are 8 into 2, metacarpals are 5 into 2, and phalanges are your 14 into 2. It can be also called as digits or toes. Metacarpals is the wrist portion. Okay. Similarly, if we write for the forelimbs part now, forelimbs, okay, forelimbs. So forelimbs will be of two part again. So let's continue with the hind limbs part. Hind limbs. These are also 60 bones. These can be divided into 7 different type of bones. Okay. So let's write the different type of bones name now. Number 1 will be your femur. Next one will be your tibia. Third one is your fibula. Likewise 4 is your tarsals. Let's first write the patella. It is also known as knee bone. Sorry, kneecap. Then is your tarsal. Sixth is your metatarsal. And the 7th one is your phalanges. Phalanges, okay. It is also your digit or toes. Okay. So similarly, this one also will have your 1 into 2 bones. It is also 1 into 2. Fibula is also 1 into 2. Kneecap is also 1 into 2. And tarsal is here 7 into 2. Metatarsal is in again 5 into 2, and phalanges is also 14 into 2. So tarsals are 7 into 2 because of this patella or the kneecap extra. This one extra bone present, so to counter it, one bone in each leg is less. Okay. So let's now.
So this is the whole classification about the your skeleton, whole human skeleton we have completed. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe and share with your friends. Best of luck and meet you in the next video. Thank you guys.